The ketogenic, or keto, diet involves a drastic reduction of carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fats, leading the body into a state of ketosis where it efficiently burns fat for energy. This diet has surged in popularity due to its effective results in weight loss, overall health improvement, and enhanced energy levels. Many adopters report significant weight loss, better blood sugar control, and improved mental clarity. The high-fat content can also satiate hunger more effectively than high-carb diets, reducing overall calorie intake without the feeling of deprivation. On a keto diet, understanding macronutrient distribution is vital. Fats make up the largest part, about 70 to 80% of daily calorie intake, providing sustained energy and helping to maintain ketosis. Protein is moderate, roughly 20 to 25%, to support muscle health without exceeding the amount that might convert to glucose. Carbohydrates are drastically reduced to about 5 to 10%, limiting intake to low glycemic veggies and nuts to prevent an insulin spike that could disrupt ketosis. This balance is crucial for driving the body's metabolism away from carbs and towards fat burning, optimizing weight loss and metabolic health. Starting a keto diet begins with preparation. First, remove non-keto foods from your home to avoid temptation. This includes high-carb snacks, sugary drinks, and processed goods. Next, arm yourself with keto-friendly ingredients. Focus on high-fat, moderate protein items such as avocados, oils, nuts, full-fat dairy, and lean meats. Shopping for fresh, unprocessed foods supports the basis of a healthy keto diet. Lastly, successful meal planning is key. Plan your meals to ensure you maintain the right macronutrient balance and to avoid slip-ups. Prepare dishes in advance to ease daily decisions and keep your diet on track. Transitioning to a keto diet often presents initial hurdles, such as the keto flu, which manifests as fatigue and headaches due to withdrawal from carbs. Overcoming this requires good hydration and replenishing electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Managing cravings is another common challenge. Eating high-fat, low-carb snacks can curb these cravings effectively, making it easier to stick to the diet. Regularly consuming meals that are rich in healthy fats and proteins also ensures longer periods of fullness, which naturally decreases the urge to snack on high-carb foods, thereby helping adherents successfully stick to their ketogenic lifestyle. Monitoring your progress on the keto diet is essential for achieving and maintaining ketosis. Tools like ketone meters and urine test strips are highly effective for measuring ketone levels, providing real-time feedback on your metabolic state. Regular use of these tools can guide dietary adjustments to ensure optimal results. Additionally, tracking your dietary intake, physical activity, and body measurements can help tailor the keto diet to better suit your health goals and lifestyle needs. By closely monitoring these variables, you can make informed decisions, enhance your diet's effectiveness, and steadily progress towards your desired health and fitness objectives.